Today I've come to Dalry to photograph a waterfall that I've photographed a couple of times. I think it's Big Lynn Falls. If your name's Lynn, it's got nothing to do with you. You're probably the right size. So I've been here a couple of times. It's not been in autumn. The water's been raining. The water should be a wee bit higher and the leaves are all falling, so we'll go and see what we can capture. So leave the car park, walk out to the road to traffic lights, and then we go up to the right there. So we come in the gate there. It's a bit bright, what's going on? It's the sky, that's why. So we come in the gate there. We've just got to go along here and get this to. There we go, we've just got a long wee path here. Eventually we'll come to the waterfall. We'll see how it's flowing. The river looks quite low, which could be good. It all looks quite quiet today. Everybody's back to their work. It's a Monday. Woohoo! I'm back on a Tuesday. I don't like Mondays. You can start to hear the waterfall. Some nice walking colours out there. Through this gate as well. Past the toadstool. Shut the gate. We'll keep going. Just up here. That's the video. That's the fall here. You'll see some of it, that's a smaller fall. Leading down to the bigger falls. I'm going to try get a shot there somewhere, but I think it's across the river. It's not too deep, it's quite shallow, so I'll make my way across, put the bag down somewhere, see what we can get. Come raining, we fall together. It's not too bad. Take my hand in my pocket then. It's just up to my wellies there. Quite shallow. Some of the rocks are slippery, but what can you do? Once you get some, we've got a shot there of that wee waterfall, so we're here and I'll get set up under that tree there. Yeah. I'm just taking my time. I don't want to get wet now. I'm just here. Just arrived. So as we made it, we're across. There's a wee fall there. So I'm going to go up here a wee bit. Put my camera on that ledge, my bag. My bag here on this ledge. I'll take some pictures. Now if you're up there looking up there, we'll see what we come out with. As we can see here, I've set this wee camera up on top of the camera to see if we can see the sort of shot that I'm looking for. I'm going to go back a wee bit and maybe get these trees in as well. I like the way the water's flowing out to each edge. but towards the edges. So we'll take this shot and we'll mess about, get a couple of exposures, see what we come up with. So far I'm at 0.3 of a second, f11, ISO 50. But if it turns out, I'll let you see it. So for this shot, we'll just drop in to the falls, a 13th of a second, f9, 100 ISO. As you can see on the phone, just like that, if we're going too long. So that's a shot just there, just the falls, the 3 wee falls there. We'll see if it turns it. That's the wee path I'm going to mark up. And as you can see, that's quite high. We need to watch our feet, because these rocks here are slippy. Oh, I've got my pole to keep my balance. But there it is. Pretty high. I'm going to get across that river later on and get a picture that I've not got yet. First time I've been with my wellies. So onwards and upwards. So there's the info. There's your info there. Used to be a mill. If you like to pause it there, you can read it. As long as you've been to Specsavers and get your eyes tested. That's the waterfall's doing it now then. There's another one just up here. A nice wee tree line. I'll get to that. I don't know if there's a picture down there. Looking up to the other one, but go up to the other one first, because that's the one we'll get. We'll see if there's anything here, because I know there's a tree lying across it and a wee bridge. It doesn't get across the water, but there's a wee bridge. So let's go and see what we can get. It won't look as good as it used to. I don't know whether to shoot it or not. That one down there looks more interesting, but it's getting into it. That one can lead up to that one. I'll go down and see what we can get. That's a wee bridge. We'll go down there. We'll run and we'll see. Well, I'm done, so a load of leaves. We'll call it tree. That was here the last time I was here. I think I can get down there and shoot up the way. We'll catch this wee fall in a broken tree. A nice shot by there. We'll try that. Just need some foreground interest. We'll do down a step. There's a step here. There'll be something there. We'll cut out the sky because it's no nice sky today. I'll go down here first, have a look. I'll maybe get a shot in that wee bit there, where the leaks are. Let's go and have a look. There's a wee step there. Oh, there we go. We'll get a shot up that way. Right here. Could be a shot there. Could be a shot to that platform. What the trees were in the way, so I think we've got to be out here a wee bit. I'll set this up and we'll see what we can get. We'll be back shortly. I always bring a wee tarpaulin for the bag to sit on when the ground's that wet. Oh, it comes out once a year in the winter. But it does the job. Saves my back getting wet, that's for sure. Right, let's get on with this job. I've got a spirit level out today, as you can see. I think that's a shot there. Go for it. 50 to a second so far, 6.3 ISO 50. And I can't step back or I'll walk by my wellies. But hopefully I'll get a shot here before I move down to the big falls. I'll work it about and we'll see what will come up. Well, it's a bit of a shower now, a bit of rain coming. Bags are there, they're nice and dry under that tarpaulin. So we'll get a wee shot here. Wee shot here about there, it's on camera, you can see. So we're going to shoot this and head down to the bigger falls. See if we can get down there while it's still raining. We've moved up again, this time a bit closer, you can see. That's a shot there. Keep the tree in, following along. We're at F10, fourth of a second, ISO 50. Raw file, 2-second timer. And we've got a wee cloth of the camera just to keep the rain off it now. I know it's waterproof, but yeah, it's got to do what you've got to do. So that's it, middle of the river. And if the shot works, I'll show you the shot. So we've made it down, that's the falls. I'm going to head across the river and get a shot across this way. Last time I was here somebody appeared up the top there. So this is a shot here, but I'm going to get this on the way back up. So we'll want to get this done. It's raining, heavy. Hopefully it gets after. I made it down, way up there. Quite a bit steep. Not for the faint-hearted. They took away the rope, there was a rope there. But there's a waterfall there. I'll maybe get a selfie right there. Take away that blue thing in the water, whatever it is. As well. But it is raining quite heavy now, so it should be enough soon. According to my excellent weather. We shall see. I'm just going to walk about, put the camera down, walk about, see if I can get something. Well, that's that. Done. In the waterfall. It's time to go home. People swimming. In there, at the trees. Crazy people. I don't think it'll last long. It's too cold. Dog walkers and everything. So that was Dalry, Lynn Falls. Lynn Glen Falls, I think. Yep, Lynn Glen. See? It says there. Lynn Glen Falls. Well, that's that done for the day. And if you liked the wee video, just get a wee thumbs up, a wee like, a wee subscribe. We'll see what else we can capture.